Welcome back to our channel Class Like Community. Today is the lecture 5, that is the conductivity of a semiconductor, and here we will be deriving two equations, that is one will be a current density, another will be a conductivity. Without wasting more time, let's begin. So here is a diagram which you can see. So this is a semiconductor. Either you can apply electric field or you can attach it with a battery or a cell. Now you know that a p-type semiconductor has what number of holes is more as compared to electron, and a n-type semiconductor has number of electrons more rather than holes. Now what we are doing, we are connecting this semiconductor to our battery. So all this shaded circle are electrons and the unshaded circles are holes. So what happens, the electrons moves to the higher potential whereas the holes move to the lower potential. Now for this you can say that these are the charge carriers. We know that electron and holes are the charge carriers. So as they are moving, they are creating a motion, henceforth they are making or they are creating a current too with them. So we will be assuming some terms for our derivations. So first is NE. So N is equal to number of electrons. Okay. Second will be our IE, which is our current due to the electrons motion. Third is our NH. NH is our number of holes. Okay. Similarly, the current will be occurring for this also. So it is current due to the holes motion. Now the shaded one is our electron. So if an electron is moving this side, this is our what? Electron. If electron is moving this side, that means the current will be moving the opposite. That means this is IE. And if our holes are moving this side, which is the unshaded one, holes, so that means our current for holes will be moving on the same side in which the holes are moving. That means this total current for electrons and holes will be in the same direction. So we get a formula which is what? I is equal to IE plus IH. Okay. So I is your total current. I is the total current due to electrons motion. Next is our IH is equal to current due to holes motion. So this is our equation 1, which will help us to derive our two formulas, or we can say equation, that is current density and next is a conductivity. Okay. So let's start with the derivation. So first of all, we will be seeing a relation. So as we need to derive for current density, so first we are doing for current density. Okay. Current density. So for this we will be seeing the relation between current current and drift velocity. So the formula for this relation is I is equal to N E A V D. Okay, so this is a second equation where I is the current, that you know, N is the number of electrons per unit volume, E is the charge of the electron, and A is the area of the conductor. And Vd, you know, that is drift velocity. So if we transform our IE, that is current due to electron motion, to according to this formula, that is the equation 2, then it will be N, wherein suffix we will write E, and E, that is the charge of the electrons, A, and instead of D suffix we will write VE. Okay, so this is for the current due to electrons one. Now similarly for holes it will be N suffix is H, E will be same, that means the charge for the holes will be same, and A will be same, V instead of E here or D here will be H. Okay, so we got this. Now we will be putting this whole, this third thing, both these equations to our first equation, that is I is equal to IE plus IH. So I is equal to NE EA VE plus NH EA VH. Now we can take out common from here, that is EA, and we are left over with NEVE plus NHVH. Now if we take over A downward to the left hand side, that will be becoming what, as Rj, that is the current density. So NEVE plus NHVH, and in here you can write in bracket, since current density is equal to what, current by area of the conductor. So this is our first equation, or we can say first derivation, that is for the current density. Now let's move on and see the second one, that is for the conductivity. For conductivity, what we will do, we will be taking the help of our Ohm's law, and we know that here is our potential difference which will be there, and we will be taking care of that the length of the semiconductor, we will assuming it as L. Okay, so here we will write using Ohm's law. So we know that it is I is equal to V by R, that is potential difference by resistance, and potential difference can be written as E dot L. E is the electric field and L is the length of the semiconductor, by R. Now we will putting this formula in our equation 1, that is I is equal to IE plus IH. Rest you can put this one, this formula here. So instead of I, just we will put E dot L. R is equal to same thing, we will write NEEAVE plus NHEAVH. Now what we will do, we will take out EA as common, which we have done earlier only. So it is like this, EA NEVE plus NHVH. Now what we will do, we will take this E to the right side and A to the left side. So we are having RA equal to ENEVE by E plus NHVH by E. So why we have done this? I am saying before that we know that resistance is equal to rho L by A, right? So if we take over rho to our left side and R this side, so we get 1 by rho is equal to L by RA, which is equal to our LHS this side, and we know that 1 by rho is what? 1 by rho is our sigma, that is a conductivity, is equal to L by RA. So we will replace this to this one, that is sigma, and this VE by E, that is drift velocity of electrons by electric field, is nothing but mobility, and mobility we write it with as mu. So mu E plus NH mu H. So the second formula which we did the derivation for is this one. This is the conductivity of semiconductors derivation, and this is for the current density. So I hope all of you understood the lecture of today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any queries, please comment us down below. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.